innovation arm of one of the world's leading retailers came to Frog to explore how to make clean energy accessible at scale in emerging economies. We took the business line from product ID to a tested solution that was both attractive for their future customers and built on a sustainable business model with positive financial, environmental, and social impact. This was the first time our client had worked to iteratively design, build, and test a product and all its business model components. This process made their ideas real and inspired the company's strategy for emerging markets, with new retail experiences designed to change people's relationship to energy. We designed a new retail model that would create jobs for local entrepreneurs, allow people in remote areas to access energy affordably, and support product end of life by enabling repair, reuse, and recycling. Together, we work to move the needle in terms of sustainability, and this next economy brand is leading the way in creating a sustainable future for all.